Can you tell me what are the functions of the root system? What are the functions of the root system? That indicates that is nothing but it shows 4 types. So root system performs how many functions means 4 functions. Root system performs how many functions means it performs 4 functions. Of that first function, that is nothing but it helps in anchorage. It helps in anchorage. That means it gives mechanical strength to the plant. That means it is nothing but anchorage, so that the plant can withstand on the root system. And whereas the second function, that is nothing but it helps in absorption of water and minerals. It helps in absorption of water and minerals. That means here the first function, it helps in the anchorage, which gives mechanical support to the plant so that the plant can withstand among themselves. And what is the second one means? That is nothing but absorption of water and minerals. And the third one, it helps in storage of reserved food materials. It helps in storage of reserved food materials. It helps in storage of reserved food materials. This is the third function which is performed by the root system. And the fourth function, it can also secrete some of the phytohormones. It also secretes some of the phytohormones. Some of the phytohormones. It also secretes some of the phytohormones. That means root system, it performs 4 functions. Of that, the first function, that is nothing but anchorage, due to which the plant they can withstand along with them only. And whereas the absorption of water and minerals, it is the second function. Third function, it is nothing but storage of reserved food materials. And fourth function, it is nothing but it helps in secretion of some phytohormones, by means of which we complete this root system and their characteristic features, and how many types of root system and their characteristic features we completed up to now.